3 signs you're about to have a magical breakthrough with the law of attraction to attract everything that you want in your life. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Hang with me because these 3 signs are starting to manifest in your life, most likely, and they're the sign of good things coming. Number 1, you said, screw it. I'm not going to wonder whether I'm good enough anymore. Screw it. I'm not going to sit around and I'm not going to say, am I good enough to make more money? Am I good enough to attract my soulmate? Am I good enough for more adventure and joy and happiness in my life? Am I good enough to inspire people in the world? Am I good enough for my dreams? You're just like, screw it, dude. I'm only alive one time, man. I'm going to be dead one day and I'm not going to worry about that anymore. You've given up. Now, that doesn't mean that the thoughts don't happen anymore. It's just that you've identified that that's not your true self. Now, you may notice them, sometimes they might feel scary, but you're deciding that you're not going to sit around forever, and when that comes up, you're going to say, you know what, man, I'm going to get to work. I'm going to go ask that person out. I've been so scared, and now I'm starting to get that old program and come in. I'm going to walk over right now and ask them out, right? It's that thought that's like, oh yeah, you're not good enough, and you're like, no, I am. I'm gonna keep going, right? I had that when I was starting this YouTube channel, but I'm like, I'm not gonna sit around. Today I'm gonna record 10 videos. I'm gonna work for 5 hours, 6 hours just shooting videos, even if my voice is sore after, because I'm going to take the steps and not let that little thought in my head control me. That's when you're on the sign. That's when you're on the path for new, amazing things to show up in your life. Why? Because the law of attraction simply says that like attracts like. So what energy is that when you hear the voices in your head that are saying you're not good enough, smart enough, whatever, and you say, screw it, I'm going to do it anyways? You're coming from abundance, you're coming from courage, you're coming from faith and belief and prosperity. And like attracts like. So finally you put yourself in a position where so many more good things start to show. So if that's you, keep saying it. Screw it, I'm going to do it. That's the mantra. Screw it, I'm going to do it. Or, oh, what the heck, do it anyways. That's what Jack Canfield says. Oh, what the heck, do it anyways. You put yourself in a position of abundance, and that is a clear sign that so many good things are on their way. Stay focused, stay positive, keep smiling. Number 2, you've decided process over outcome. Process over outcome. Now, we're infatuated with outcomes, right? That's what our culture is set up on. Millionaire, finally have my soulmate, now I'm in my dream house, now I'm this, and it's always on the outcome. But the process is always, when you ever hear somebody that has something that you want, and you ask them how they got it, they're always excited about the process. Man, I was down and out, I had no money, I was living in my car, but I just kept pushing forward on my business. Man, 4 relationships failed in a row. And then out of nowhere, I was just in a coffee shop drinking coffee, and this lady spilled coffee on me, and it turned out to be my soulmate, and we started talking. It's the journey, it's the process. And when you've decided that process is more important than the outcome, and you've made that decision to yourself, you made a commitment in this moment, right now with me, you've said, okay, Jake, I'm going to do it. I'm going to be committed to the process of creating wealth. I'm going to be committed to the process of finding my soulmate by working hard on myself. I'm going to be committed to the process of getting a raise. I'm going to be committed to the process of manifesting this dream, or the process of me getting healthier and all the uncomfortable challenges of getting fit, my lungs burning in the gym, and making changes to eat less sugar. Even though it's going to be tough, I'm committed to the process. Now, when you do that, what you're doing is you're saying, I trust the outcome will show up. But for now, this is all about me committing to myself and what I truly deserve, because I deserve more joy, happiness, abundance, and freedom. And I'm committing to that right now because I know that if I show up in the process, good things will show up in the future. And when you do that, the law of attraction says, boom, all right, he or she has got it. I'm going to send them good things, because now they're not looking outside of themselves to find the validation in the outcome. And that, my friend, is the perfect sign that what you want is well on its way and you're on the cusp of a huge law of attraction breakthrough. Number 3, you're programming your subconscious mind and not looking around and saying, hey, does the law of attraction work? Is it working? You're not looking with your eyes or any of your physical senses to decide whether this works or not. Now, that doesn't mean you're not measuring your progress. It doesn't mean you're not doing that. It just means you're not looking outside of yourself to get the ultimate decisions. It means that you're listening to positive videos every day. You're reading the books. You're writing your affirmations down. You're listening to my success hypnosis down below, jakeshypnosis.com down below. It's free. You can use it to program your subconscious mind and eliminate old programming. You're working hard. You're showing up, right? When you see a beautiful and attractive person, you're not afraid to go talk to them. You're not afraid to keep working hard even though the results haven't come in your new dream or your new business. You're showing up, you're doing the work, and then you're not saying, hey, is this working yet? Is this work? Because immediately what you do is you shift out of abundance and then you shift into a finite reality. Right? You're not doing that. And if you are right now in this moment, now you're making the commitment with me. You're saying, okay, Jake, I'm going to do it. For this whole next 365 days, I don't give a damn. I'm going for it big time, and I'm not going to look around and check the scoreboard. That's what Eric Thomas calls it, scoreboard watching. Looking around and saying, is this working yet? Is this working yet? Do I have the money yet? Do I have the YouTube subscribers yet? Is my soulmate come yet? Hey, has my boss noticed that I'm being more positive yet? Hey, is my subconscious mind reprogrammed and my belief systems, have they changed? I've been listening to that success hypnosis. Is it working yet? I've been writing my... We're out of that. We're out of the head and we're into the spirit of it. And that's when real power and real shifts start to show up. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Download my free success hypnosis down below, JakesHypnosis.com. Press the subscribe button in the corner over there. This is a sign that you're well on your way for a law of attraction breakthrough. Comment where in the world you are coming from. I am in sunny Maui, and I'd love to know where you're coming from. Have an amazing day, and I know there's some great things in store for you soon. Stay positive, stay confident, stay generous, and keep working hard.